Alright guys, we're doing a taste test of these Yves family pack veggie dogs. So these are on sale, and if you look here, that's what it looks like. And let's take a look at the ingredients. You guys can read this. You just want to pause the video. So it's got wheat, soy protein, wheat gluten. So yeah, just be aware it's not gluten free, but gonna do a quick taste test, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's that Yves tofu dog pretty much, and we're gonna do a quick taste test. We'll rip off the side here and just heated it up. There, if you guys want to look at that, there you go. So taste wise, it is pretty good. It's got a lot of herbs and seasoning and spices, and it's got like some pepper in there. That definitely has the aroma, and definitely has the taste. The texture is just softer. That's pretty much it, guys. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.